Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I wanted to share with you my secrets. They are not really secrets, but I just wanted to share with you guys some ways that I save money on luxury items. And at the end of the video, or after we talk about a couple little points, then I will reveal a couple items that I recently got, and I saved a great amount of money on them. So if you're interested in hearing what I have to say, then just keep watching. So the first way that I would say that I save on luxury items is probably the most obvious one, and that is to buy pre-loved. So my favorite pre-loved website is Fashionphile. I just feel like I feel safe when I purchase from Fashionphile. They're so easy. Shipping is pretty quick, even though they're in California and I'm in Florida. If I ship it, I can ship it overnight, which is an upcharge, but sometimes it's worth it because, you know, I need that instant gratification. But also I just feel like they have a really huge selection, and lately I've been finding that I'm able to find better deals than I previously was able to find on there. Like when I first started shopping Fashionphile a few years ago, I feel like I used to see good deals on there all the time, and then it kind of stopped and they kind of overpriced a lot of their stuff. But what I do now is I try to look at the discounted stuff, because the discounted stuff used to be kind of stuff that people didn't want, but now because they have so much, you can find some really good stuff on discount. So actually, when I do my Fashionphile unboxing a little bit later in this video, one of the items, the biggest item, was a 30% off discount off their price. So that's definitely a tip. A lot of times if I'm searching for something and it's a really popular item, like say if I'm looking at a Pochette Matisse, I'm not, but I just picked that bag. What I do is I search for Pochette Matisse, and then I change my sorting to oldest first, because the older the item is, meaning not the older as far as the year of the bag, but when Fashionphile put that bag on their website, the older the item is, the bigger discount it may have. Now sometimes they overprice stuff so much, something so popular like the Pochette Matisse, that the discount may just bring it down to like regular retail price. So keep that in mind, but that's definitely my biggest tip for how to shop Fashionphile. They also have a section called Last Call on there where they discount on, I guess, so much every day. I've never purchased anything through that, but I have seen some deals on there. So definitely check that out. The other way that I shop pre-loved is Poshmark, but with Poshmark you have to be careful. I probably wouldn't purchase anything on Poshmark that's less than $500, just because at $500 Poshmark will authenticate it for you. You can also still get it authenticated on your own, but you know, Poshmark takes care of all that and they guarantee it. So if something, like say if it's an over $500 item, Poshmark authenticated it, and then you got it home and you authenticated it like with another company, if you found out that it was fake, you could send that item back. So yeah, I feel like Poshmark has really good customer service. So I do feel comfortable purchasing, but like I said, I only like to purchase things that are $500 or over on there, just so I can get that authentication. The third way that I have shopped pre-loved before is by purchasing through the Facebook groups, which everybody talks about, so I'm not really going to spend any time on there, but sometimes you can find some good deals on there, and the people on there are just very helpful, and there's a lot of people on there that are very knowledgeable, people that even authenticate on there, so definitely check it out. I can't remember the name of it, but I will try to leave all the stuff I'm talking about down below. So the second major way that I save on luxury when it comes to new items is shopping at like Saks or Neiman Marcus, because you can get some really good coupons. Now if you're looking for like Louis Vuitton, Chanel or something, those you can never get on discount, so just hang that up. unless you're buying a pre-loved, you're not going to get a discount on that. I know some people have credit cards to like those types of stores, and you can earn points that get you money off. So that's definitely a tip. I personally don't do that, so I can't really speak on that, but I know that's how some people can save on like Louis Vuitton or Chanel if they have Like say if their Saks has a Chanel boutique inside of it or whatever. We don't even have a Saks here, so that's that. But for me, the way I do it is sign up for their email list, and they send me coupons, and they actually send me coupons in the mail. Just last week, I posted on my Instagram a coupon that I got that I never used, and hopefully somebody ended up using it, but it was like $400 off if you spent $2,000 or something like that, and it was on handbags. Now, I typically do this for like YSL. Sometimes Gucci is excluded, but sometimes they're included, but YSL is generally always included, and I happen to really like YSL, so that works for me. And then of course, like other designers are included as well. Like, how come I can't think of any designers right now? I don't know. Whatever other designers they sell, like Prada, those types of designers, luxury designers, are typically included in that type of sale. So Saks does it and Neiman Marcus does it. So I would just say that if you're interested, definitely sign up for their email list. And every now and again, you might get a coupon sent to you, and maybe it's something that you can purchase through that. Another way that I can save money on luxury is by purchasing from some of the websites that are not based in the United States. So my favorite one, definitely by far, is Farfetch. I have purchased from them several times, and actually one of the things I'm going to show you is actually from Farfetch, but they run a lot of sales and you don't have to pay taxes if you live in the US. Everything is already included. So a lot of times their shipping is only like $10 too, no matter from where they ship it from. I think the way Farfetch works is that they source it from different countries. So sometimes it'll be like I order and my bag comes from Spain, other times it's coming from Italy. But basically they find the best price and you get it that way, and they're perfectly safe. I've used them time and time again. If you sign up for their loyalty program, you get coupons off. Those coupons aren't really the best, so maybe like $50 off. But they also run like sales where they put a bunch of stuff on sale, and then you can get a percentage off that sale price. So the bag that I'm showing you is, I think it was on sale, and then I got an extra like 40% off or something. So yeah, your girl is winning. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Some of those tips I'm sure y'all guys knew, but maybe that was helpful to some of you. So let's go ahead and get into the reveal. So just to let you guys know, after this, I think I'm pretty much on no buy or either a one in, one out type situation, or one out, one in type situation. So actually I sold 2 bags to Fashionphile, and with that money I used it to purchase this stuff for the most part. Also, it was my birthday month, so this is kind of like happy birthday Ayesha. But yeah, basically I didn't pay for these bags because I sold 2 bags that I was not using, and Fashionphile actually gave me a decent price for them, which was surprising to me. So just keep that in mind. So the first bag I'm going to show you is from Farfetch, and this bag I have not used it yet, but I've already unboxed it, obviously, because when I got it I had to open it. But here she is. So pretty. This is a YSL Sac de Jour, and this is in the baby size. And I love this. It has this calf hair here that's an animal print. I'm not sure if this is leopard or cheetah, but the trim is black. This is the tag that's still on here because I haven't used it. The trim is black. It comes with a removable pouch in there. Supposedly it's removable, but I haven't figured out how to remove it yet. But like I said, I haven't actually used this bag yet. And then the lock is here as well. And the strap is adjustable, but it is long enough for me to wear crossbody. So in a second I'll show you a mod shot of this. But I just really love the way this bag looks. I know that leopard and animal print right now is hot and everybody's doing it, but for me, I've always been into animal print, like always. So I felt like this was a safe buy because it just fits my aesthetic, and I love the size of it. It will fit everything I needed to fit, but it's not too big. I already have a sac de jour in blue in the small size, so it's bigger than this. But I like the size of this one because I feel like it's just gonna be a lot easier to handle. I'll be able to wear this around my kids because I can wear it crossbody. I feel like it can be definitely dressy, but it also can be worn casually. So I really like that about this bag. So let me show you what it looks like on. All right, the next two items are from Fashionphile, and one of these I got last week, and then the other one came in the mail today. I wanted to do a real unboxing when it came. However, my daughter was sick today, so when it came, I wasn't about that, like, you know, I'm taking care of her. I wasn't gonna film a video. But I still ended up opening it because I just couldn't wait. So when I got a chance, I opened it. But I've only seen it once, so this is kind of a reveal. I mean, kind of an unboxing, but not really. So anyway, we're gonna start with the smaller item. So this I ordered last week, and this is a Toiletry 19 by Louis Vuitton. This is in the Epi leather, and the color is Piment, P-I-M-E-N-T. Now, Louis Vuitton no longer makes a Toiletry 19 in Epi leather. In Epi they only have the largest one, the 26. But I was specifically on the hunt for the 19. I was gonna get the Monogram one, but that is so hard to get these days. Like, you cannot order it on Louis Vuitton's website, and I don't really like to pay over retail for stuff. So when I saw this on there, I was like, am I settling? But I really just loved it. As soon as I saw it, I wanted it, and I tried to talk myself out of it, and I thought about it for like 3 days, and then I went ahead and ordered it. But I really like it because it is different than anything I have. Well, it's a toiletry pouch, and I have a toiletry pouch, but as far as the color, I don't have anything in orange Epi. I do like orange. I do like bright pops of color in my bag, so I feel like this will work out really well for me. I did buy this to be a like catch-all pouch in my bag, but for the past like day or two, I've actually just been carrying it as my bag, just running short little errands. So I'll show you guys quickly what I have in here. I have my keys. I have my old phone in here. This is not like my phone I actually use, but I just want to show y'all that phone fits. This is a 7 Plus, iPhone 7 Plus. Right now I have an XS, but it's somewhere. I think it's upstairs. And then I have my headphones. I have a card case. I have a random napkin and a lip gloss. And this does have the wipeable interior like all of the toiletry pouches. This one is orange to match the bag. It does have a little slip pocket there. But I thought this would just be a good size to put in my bags when I need something bigger than a mini pochette. Currently my mini pochette is my carry-all, but sometimes I find that it's too small for what I need to bring with me. And I just don't like to have certain things loose in my bag. So super happy with this. Oh, and just in case you're wondering, the Toiletry 15 will fit inside that YSL bag, just for a size reference for you guys. Now on to my big reveal. And this one was something that I've liked since it came out. There's a couple versions of it. I like both versions, and I just didn't think it would be in my price range. But I got this for an awesome deal from Fashionphile. I got it, it was $600 under retail. It's new, no flaws. $600 under retail. And then also I don't have to pay taxes. If I would have purchased this directly from the boutique, the local boutique in my state, I would have had to pay taxes. Or even if I purchased it from their online outlet, I would have had to pay taxes on it. So when you're spending this kind of money on a bag, taxes do matter. So I feel like I got a really good deal on it. And then I was also like kind of surprised because they have quite a few on there, and some of them are ridiculously priced. And then I got this one for such a good deal, and I actually looked on there today. There's another one for the same price as what I paid on this. Now this was one of those 30% off markdowns. So I'm gonna open it up. I got a file, and here's box. It also has a ribbon in here, and I'm not gonna pull that out, but comes with the Fashionphile dust bag, and it also came with the actual dust bag. But I'm gonna show you guys the bag. Hopefully you guys didn't see that, but here it is. Now I don't know how to pronounce the name of the bag, but I think it's the Boit Chapeau Souple. Hopefully I'm saying it right. Boit Chapeau Souple. But it's like the hat box style, so it's a round bag, and I love this bag. I love it. It comes with like the pre-aged vachetta leather. On the back you have this small little slip pocket that's, I guess, just decoration because it's kind of too small to really fit anything in there. But this is the soft version. They do have a petite Boit Chapeau, and that one is hard, more like a trunk. It's a lot more expensive. It's smaller, and it has like a little handle on it, which is super cute, but that one is ridiculous. This one is still pricey to me. You know, we all have our limits for what we want to spend on a bag. So this one is still pricey for me, but for the price I got it for, I could not leave it there. I was shocked that I saw this on there for that price. I have loved this bag since I first saw the very first images of it. So I'm super happy to have it, and it made me feel like it was so worth it to get rid of those other two bags that I was not using, because I just love this bag. It's actually quite large. I mean, not large, but bigger than what you may expect. It's going to be hard to see because it has a dark interior. But I think what I will do, I don't want to make this video long. I think what I will do in a separate video, I will do a what's in my bag of this, so you guys can kind of see how much it fits. Unfortunately, there's not that many videos on YouTube of this bag, so I really wanted to show it to you guys, and hopefully after I've used it for a while, maybe I can come at you guys with a review. But I think I will do a what's in my bag and probably like initial thoughts on the bag after I've used it for like a week or so. So that is it for the video today. I'm really happy with the stuff that I was able to pick up and save on. And I didn't even mention this to y'all before. Oh no. This bag I got for, basically, I think it was basically half off the retail price, if not more. The toiletry pouch that I just knocked on the ground, I don't know what the retail of that was, because like I said, that was from like 2014, but it was in excellent condition. So it looks brand new, but I don't know what the retail price was on that. And then I told you for the last bag that I saved like $600 plus tax. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.